Okay, and then? We're in New York City now. This is our first day here, and we checked in last night. We're walking around. I haven't been here for 30 years.
Where there is no Dharma, let there be the Dharma. Where there's a misunderstanding of Dharma, let it become clear. Where there is Dharma, let it become much stronger. May I take on the burdens and unhappiness and sufferings of others happily. May I absorb their problems happily. May their negative karmas come to me in the form of sickness. May their obstacles come to me in the form of sickness. May their difficulties come to me in the form of sickness, and I happily accept so that they can realize the Dharma. May I be happy to give over from my virtues and merits, and time and energy and love and wisdom, and accept their ignorance, hatred, anger, and their negative karma. May I be able to accept that. In this life and all future lives, may I never be separated from the King of Dharma, Lama Tsongkhapa, and his holy doctrine, and the great masters who follow it and elucidate it correctly. May I become a lineage holder myself by practice, contemplation, meditation. And may I be able to spread the Dharma through my body, speech, and mind, especially by my action. May the crops be good, harvest be excellent, the government be strong, and leaders have a right clarity and operate clearly. We pray for them. May the ones we love, we reward them with our efforts and love, and we reward them with good action, and whether they're watching us or not, we behave well to reward the people we really love. Otherwise, it's not love. May we be able to suffer difficulties for others happily.